Just ahead, we're going to meet the man who has come to Arizona to try to find answers about climate change.
And I'm tracking thunderstorms in the central.
And we have seen a lot of crazy weather across the nation, Bill. Everything from massive tornadoes to record hurricane seasons.
Yeah, Liz, and now the government wants some answers about why we're seeing all these climate changes.
Corbin Carson joins us live from downtown Phoenix with more about this new climate center and the man who will lead the charge. Corbin?
Liz, Arizona is one of several states that will house a center for scientists. They're looking for answers about climate change.
We've all noticed the unusual weather, from the haboobs racing across Arizona to the unusually high number of tornadoes.
Climate is something that we all have to worry about.
And he should know. Dr. Stephen Jackson is one of a handful of scientists that have been challenged by the government to figure out what's going on. He's the director of a new climate center at the University of Arizona in Tucson.
The Southwest is one of the most vulnerable parts of the United States to climate change and climate variability.
It's one of 8 national centers designed to try and answer questions about climate change across the U.S. and then be a sort of clearinghouse for information for scientists. U.S. Secretary of the Interior Ken Salazar says this is the first step in trying to find answers, saying, quote, "We are committed to meeting this challenge head on. That's why our strategy involves wheels connecting scientists, land managers, and land users across the country in a way that will move us all ahead together. The goal is that scientists studying all types of disciplines might actually be able to learn something from each other."
A lot of research has been restricted between just looking at water issues, just looking at environmental management issues, just looking at wildlife issues. With the Climate Science Center, there's really a chance to integrate all of those.
The scientists at all the centers will also be trying to answer the much debated question about whether or not climate change even exists.
Setting aside any kind of human activities that are going on now, nature by itself is capable of throwing some serious curveballs and fastballs and knuckleballs at us, and we need to be prepared.
And looking ahead is what Dr. Jackson and the other scientists hope to be able to do.
Congress has already appropriated more than $25 million to help fund this project, with each center expected to receive between $4 and $5 million. Live in downtown Phoenix, Corbin Carson, Cronkite News.